killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand. Call
What is up, y'all? I'm back, of course, with another video. I told y'all I was gonna have these videos coming left and right. So today's video is coming to y'all about the racing stripes getting put on. That is correct. I am putting the stripes on today. They'll try to get the car washed early this morning, but due to this protesting and everything, and looting and rioting, stores and everything ain't opening up until 9 o'clock, which sucks, because I like to get an early start on things. With that said, what I'm gonna do is I'll give y'all a before and an after shot of the vehicle with the racing stripes on it. I can't do a physical hands-on video of me showing y'all me putting them on and everything like that, due to my stand is broke for to hold the phone and everything to let y'all see, and plus it's not tall enough for y'all to see. So with that being said, I will be doing a before and after, how it looks and stuff like that. Another note, the other mod I was telling you guys about should be here Friday. The bad news is I can't give y'all that video until I get back from the beach. So yes, I will be in Myrtle Beach for a few days. I need some R&R, y'all, man. I definitely need it, man. I've been working hard, and with all this going on, I just need some R&R to get away and relax. For those out there, y'all, that's doing peaceful, doing good things, man, y'all continue doing that, as long as y'all keeping it peaceful, not violent. But on another note, man, like I said, I got 2 mods coming. One of them, like I said, when that one gets here, I will let y'all know where I got that mod from, and one of my subscribers, I'll definitely shout out to you, so that you get the credit for, you know, the other subscribers that wants that mod put on their car, where I got it, how much I paid for it, and stuff like that. So yeah, that mod will be coming real soon. Like, when I say real soon, it's like real soon. Last time I checked this morning, it said it was in transit and that it was in Tennessee, but it's coming from Oklahoma. So that's a good thing. Hopefully I should have that mod either tomorrow or Wednesday. As far as the other mod, I hope it comes before then, because I really want y'all to see that mod. But with that said, like I said, I will be going today to get the racing stripes on. Today I will be doing them myself. What are you doing, woman? Y'all know it's a 2-lane road, you gotta get over. These people can't drive early in the morning, man. I don't know what's going on in the morning. Y'all trying to text and put on makeup, and you're just not gonna do it. But anyways, but yeah, man, once I get these stripes put on, man, I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about them. Like I say, it won't be fully complete, because like I said, I'm still waiting on the yellow pinstriping to come so I can pinstripe the stripes. I know that sounds funny, pinstripe the stripes. But yeah, I want to pinstripe those. I want to kind of have this car ready by first week of July with everything on it, plus more to come. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. And I might have headers for this car. I might. I don't know yet. The guy's supposed to get back with me today and let me know if he has headers for this. But if he does, trust me, I will give y'all the link where I get my headers from and stuff like that. But yeah, like I told y'all before in a couple videos, that I did want this to be a little bit more aggressive. Some guys was asking me, how am I gonna make it more aggressive? If I get these headers, man, trust me, it will be more aggressive than what it is now. There was one more thing, my front lip splitter. I'm still working on that. Like I said, I had a whole bunch of stuff just now coming in. because of the COVID had paused a lot of stuff. Some of my orders was coming from California. That took a while, but now they're starting to come in, and the more they come in, the more videos I'm gonna give y'all. But like I said, with this video is gonna be about the installation of the racing stripes. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all more content on that. But until then, peace. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Welcome back. So what this is gonna be is probably gonna be about a 3-part video. I got the first part of the stripes put on, man. Like I say, it is the first time me doing this. So I'm gonna let y'all look at it. Y'all tell me what y'all think on the first stripes. I got some more stuff I need to do. I need to order some more of that racing stripe. I will have down in the link below the stripes, where I got them from, how much they cost, and everything I use to put them in. With that being said, let me go ahead and give y'all a glimpse of what Silverback look like. So yeah, like I said, man, I got some more to do. I gotta do the roof, and I also have to do the trunk. So y'all tell me what y'all think for first time doing this. Let me tell you, man, this stuff is not easy, man. Putting these stripes in and stuff like that. I ain't really too much worried about the middle right here in the front, because I'm gonna have a tag on that. But yeah, man, when you got the wind against you, trying to do it before the pollen get on the car, man, it's kind of a quick deal outside. But yeah, man, I mean, I got the front part done. So like I said, I'm gonna have to go and order some more for the roof. I mean, I'm not the roof, the hood of the car, and the trunk. So I'm probably gonna just order one more. I might order 2. If I don't need the second one, I'll give the second away to one of y'all subscribers that probably wants it, or, you know, comment down below when I finish the videos of, you know, who probably wants the stripes. But like I say, man, yeah, that's what it's looking like. First timers, all I had was the squeegee that came with it, a tape measure, and a spray bottle of soap and water. Like I say, y'all, don't get discouraged with it when you start doing it. Let me tell you, right here on the front part of the bumper, it's like an awkward bend on it. So when y'all get to that part, those with the Challengers or the Chargers, and y'all get to that part right there in that middle part, it's an awkward bend on it. So like I say, yeah, there's a line right here. It's a line that's right here in the center, but it's also like off. There's an off piece right there. Those with Mopars or Challengers and Chargers, y'all know what I'm talking about. But it's a kind of off looking piece. Y'all comment below if I should keep that down there, or should I take that off, or should I just take the whole racing stripes off and just leave it plain Destroyer gray. Like I said, I do have the yellow pinstripe coming, which is gonna outline the black. So y'all comment down below, let me know, should I take it off, should I keep it, or whatever. Because like I say, man, those stripes were number like maybe $11, $12, if that. So it's not really much, you know. It's just a, you know, simple mod so you can add to your vehicle to bulk it up a little bit. I know it's kind of dirty, but yeah, man, this is gonna probably be about a 2 or 3 part video. I'm gonna try to make it a 2-part video, because like I say, this right here took me about an hour, man. And the only reason it took me that long is because, like I said, it's my first time laying down this vinyl and doing the curves and stuff like that in the car, man. It's not easy. Shout out to y'all that's out here wrapping cars, man, because y'all gotta have the patience to do that. I don't have the patience. But like I say, y'all want it, so I'm gonna give it to you. So yeah, man, like I say, y'all tell me what y'all think. Comment down below, you know, if I should keep it, or if I should take it off and go let the professionals do it, or let me know, man. Like I say, I'm trying to keep it where it's affordable. You can do it yourself. You ain't gotta go spend a lot of money, stuff like that. Yeah, I know, before some of y'all comment, that section right there, I know. That section right there, I know I'm gonna take care of that. Like I said, with the pinstripe, when it's pinstripe, you won't even see that part, man. But yeah, man, so with that being said, also the next mods probably gonna get done to this is the GT is probably gonna get painted yellow, and also the Challenger is gonna get painted yellow. So that's probably gonna be the next thing. That's gonna probably be the next thing I get done, like quick mod wise.
But yes, the other mods that is coming, like I said, y'all gonna love. I know it's kind of dirty right now, but yeah, if you haven't commented, go ahead and comment. Like I say, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, share, do what you gotta do, just as long as we get this video published and pushed out. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell, because like I said, what I would do is I would keep more mods coming for the vehicle. What else I need to get done to this thing other than wash it? I know I need to wash it, man. Also, I do have more videos coming up on the boat. I got more videos of that coming up soon, but as of right now, this one right here, this is what I'm giving you. So this is just part one of what it's looking like. Like I said, it's probably gonna be about a 2 or 3 part video. It depends on how that top part goes. If that top part goes, you know, easy and smooth, hopefully it will, then it'll be a 2-part video. But if not, it's gonna be a 1-part video. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all, you know, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share if you haven't, and stay tuned. Peace.